In this video, we will discuss the project of this part of the course. Some tick of the implementation and the application of the cumulative constraint on the resource-constrained project scheduling problem are present. In your mini-CP project, build the cumulative profile. We see that in this context, start time of activity are fixed. Activity are decomposed into two events, start event and end event. After creating events, they are sorted in increased order of time. We can then sweep over the timeline of event and compute the height of the corresponding profile rectangle. It is then possible to check if the capacity of the resource is exceeded. This will happen if the height of one of the profile rectangle is greater than the capacity of the resource. We use therefore then the mandatory part of activity to build the mandatory profile. We can switch over the timeline of event and update the start time of activities. Be careful when the corresponding activity contributes to the profile. Also, pause the mirror filtering to avoid code duplication and prolong the latest completion time of activities. The second step of our project is the application of our cumulative constraint on the resource constraint project scheduling problem. In this problem, a finite set of activities have to be executed on several resources of discrete capacity. Activities can be executed in parallel. They are linked by precedence relation. For example, the gray activity can start only after the end of the red activity. Each activity have a fixed duration and a fixed resource requirement. The goal is to minimize the max span, the maximum completion time of all activities. What we have seen previously are basic of the cumulative constraint. Many other filtering algorithms are usually added for additional pruning. The timetable filtering is the most used filtering algorithm in practice. Its low complexity and its scalability allow her to be a good trade-off between filtering and the time consumption. The timetable filtering is usually combined with the edge finding. Another algorithm like energetic reasoning, timetable, edge finding, no first knowledge, and so on exists. For more information about extension of the constraint, follow this link.